Hey everybody, this is Ori from AstroWeb, and I'm happy to share with you some research I've been doing about themes on Shopify and how fast they load. So recently, in the last probably 3 months, we've been getting a lot of cases for speed optimization. Clients come to us, store owners come to us, and they ask us to speed up their website, either because they want a faster website speed or their SEO team asked them to do it, etc. So what we did is we did some research on the Shopify theme store to show to you guys what's actually out of the box faster, what's out of the box getting a faster load speed or getting a faster page speed. So for example, I have a theme here called the Bistro, and what I did is I plugged it into the Google PageSpeed Insights tool, and I looked and it has a really, really good score. For example, 95 for desktop and 91 for mobile. That's amazing. It's very, very rare. And then on the other tool that I use, I wanted to actually see what the speed load is to load the whole page. And this same theme is about 1 second, which is crazy, crazy fast. Okay, so what did we do? What are we going to share today? Really, really simple. We made a Google Sheet, which it's going to be inside the description on the YouTube video, and you can reference it. And so what we did is we went to themes.shopify.com, and we basically took down every single theme that was here. So if you click here, all themes, both the 9 free ones and the current 64 paid ones, and we just took all of them one by one. So for example, I went here and I viewed the demo and I closed this thing. I took the URL, right? I'm gonna remove all of this stuff. We took the URLs, we plugged it in into the page site speed and to GTmetrix to look at the load speed. We did it 3 times to try to average them out so there's not inconsistencies. And we actually put it in this sheet right here. So we made a sheet for you guys. It's for us and it's for you guys. You have view access. You can just go to the YouTube link and you can see these are all the free ones that are in the store. And these are all the paid ones. This is how much it costs. And this is the load speed, which personally I care about much more than a higher Google page speed score, but a lot of you guys do care about that. So we listed it both the page speed score, for example, 1 out of 100, and the load time. We sorted it. And because you have access to this, you can actually, sort it and you can see that stuff. So very, very simple. You have the data. For example, the free theme Express is really the fastest by far and it has the highest page speed score. And the Cascade has the highest score of load speed, and there's a few others that are really good for the page speed score. So now you have all the data. You can go one by one. You can choose the themes based on design, and now you have data to choose it based on the actual load speed score. And in addition, we did one more thing, which is all of the themes, we plugged it into the Google mobile testing tool, right? It's just a tool to make sure that if the theme is mobile, if it's mobile friendly and Google is happy with it. And we basically did that. And luckily, all of the themes that are in the store, either free and paid, are all mobile friendly. So you don't need to worry about that. But that's just another one. And that's it. If you have any questions about speed optimization, contact us, leave comments, and we'll do a lot more videos about speed optimization because there's huge interest and people are aware, store owners are aware that you need to do better, faster website speeds. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Appreciate your time, guys.